Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very important for 23, 22 to 21 batch. 9 LPA plus salary opportunity for the freshers and graduates batch. There is no exam, direct interview, 10 guaranteed job opportunities, and it is from the top MNC. As we all know about that, the top MNC onboarding is delay, but I suggest all of you to please apply for this opportunity because this is one of the best opportunity for all of you. In this video, we will discuss about how to apply for this opportunity step by step process. Let's start the video. All videos on our channel that is related to important updates related to off-campus hiring must apply. So this opportunity is from the Great Learning Academy Data Analytics program, and it is one of the top trending technology. This is a program with guaranteed placement opportunity. This program is full-time classroom and online format, and they give you 10 guaranteed placement opportunity, and the duration is 4 months. Okay, upon successful program completion, you have 10 guaranteed placement opportunity. You have to do one important step. As a first step, you have to click on the link is in the description. You have to click on the link and you have to download the brochure in which you have to fill your name, email, mobile number, undergraduate degree. If you are from BSc, BCA, BCom, BE, BTech, BA, BBA, B Pharma, you can apply. And graduation is related to the 2023, 22, 21, and you have to choose preferred center. There are like classroom centers also at Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, NCR and Pune location. And if you are from other, so you have to select online according to your convenience. So this is a 10 guaranteed placement opportunity, 3 to 6 LPA salary range, highest CTC of 9 LPA, 2600 plus company hire, and you have placement opportunity from the top companies. If you are a fresh graduate, you are pass out in the 2021 or after 21, 22 or 23, and you want to launch your career in data analytics, you can apply. What you will learn: Python programming, integration of SQL, Python and Tabula, basic of Excel. One of the most important point, this course is related to placement oriented and it will give you industry relevant skills, as well as it is designed for recent graduates and freshers batch. Hands-on learnings are there and you can choose between classroom or online learning. You can check the learner testimonials who are already work at top MNC, who are already working at top MNC. So you can check, okay, I would like to thank a Great Learning Academy for helping me launch a new career. I started my career as a mechanical engineer. You can check. The Great Learning team will help you in the placement as well as for the opportunity. The link is in the description. You have to click on get started. You have to download the brochure. One most important point, it is also available on Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, NCR and Pune for the offline centers, and if you are from other cities, so you can choose the online. Okay, go from learning to earning in just 16 weeks. Okay, because as we all know about that, the onboarding is delayed, so you have opportunity to apply for this like so many different MNCs. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.